Hello, dear doctor. On behalf of the Doctors Academy team, I would like to welcome all of you to the Doctors Academy. Yes, dear doctor, at the Doctors Academy, you have the different options for your preparation. You can choose the course duration, whatever you like. We say it, you can choose the standard duration of course, you can choose the advanced durations of course. Whatever your course duration, no matter regarding your preparation, all the lectures, all the classes, all the exams, all the resources will be same, whatever the course duration you have chosen, no matter. Yes, dear doctor, you would be glad to know that the Doctors Academy courses are going on very successfully. On the Doctors Academy courses, you have the two great options to attend the courses, attend the classes. First of all, you can attend the live session which would be taken through the Zoom. That means you can take your classes in front of your mentor, you can interact with your mentors, you can discuss anything and your mentors will take live classes. If you are unable to do live session, there are no worries regarding your classes, as because the Doctors Academy courses has the very unique e-learning platform, and this e-learning platform is a complete preparation platform for your examination. And on this e-learning platform you will find all the updated classes, updated lectures, all the question bank, all the resources, all the books also will be there. You can download it, you can access it anytime you want. Yes, dear doctor, you would be glad to know that after joining at the Doctors Academy courses, you don't need to worry regarding your study materials, as because the Doctors Academy committed to provide each and every resources, each and every materials, each and every resources would be included into your course, and you will get it into your course in free. First of all, you will get a complete lecture notes that is uniquely designed by our mentors team, and these lecture notes is much important for your preparation. And definitely this lecture notes is very concise, very organized way it has been developed by our mentors, which is very essential for your preparation. After these lecture notes, you will be provided a complete sets of question bank. On your preparation, you will be provided 3 sets of question bank for your preparation, which are very much essential for your examination. And definitely other resources like past papers, recalls and other books essential also you will get into your preparation. You don't need to subscribe any other question bank, any other books, any other resources. If you are joining at the Doctors Academy courses, each and every materials will be included into your course. Yes, dear doctors, at the Doctors Academy, there are the biggest mentor team for your preparation, and this is the world's best mentor at the Doctors Academy. If you check the profile of our honorable mentors, you will find that they are the very unique, they are the very serious and dedicated for your preparation, and they have chosen, they have proven the Doctors Academy as the highest rank in terms of their success, in terms of the result of our honorable candidates. At the Doctors Academy, you will be gone through, after completion of your whole syllabus, there will be taken advanced revision phase. And this advanced revision phase is very essential, very important to boost up your preparation. Before your final examination, we will take lots of examination. First of all, the system test will be taken. After then, there will be the block test, and after then, final mock test will be taken onto your course. That means to prepare you very well with full confidence for your getting success on your examination. The Doctors Academy team is very serious, very dedicated to achieve your final destination. Yes, dear doctor, you would be glad to know that the Doctors Academy success rate, we are still maintaining the 100% success for your course. For the last couple of years, we are maintaining the 100% success for your courses, for your examination. So dear doctor, on behalf of the Doctors Academy team, I would like to welcome once again to join with the Doctors Academy team and definitely beat your success within a very short period of time with a very colorful result. So dear doctor, thank you once again. Thank you very much. Thank you all.